Howdy and hello! Welcome back to Kodomo Kids. My name is Courtney, and this month, the whole month of July, we will be celebrating the United States of America. Come along with us. This week we'll be learning a little bit of the Star-Spangled Banner, or the National Anthem of the United States. It sounds like this. Ready? Turn those listening ears on. Oh, say, can you see? Oh, say, can you see? That's right. All right, so we're going to learn how to sing that line of the song using solfege, or hand signs, that represent the different notes. So we'll start with do. Can you say do? Very good. Do is the root, and me is the third. Can you say me? Me. Good. And then we also have the fifth, which is so. Do, me, and so. Good, so that's how we build a triad. Do, me, so, me, do. Can you sing that with me? A one, a two, a one, two, three. Do, me, so, me, do. Very good, everyone. Now, with our Star-Spangled Banner, we're actually going to start on so. So, me, do. Can you sing that with me? A one, a two, a one, two, three. So, me, do. Good. So those are the first three notes. So, me, do. And then we go back up. Me, so. Can you try that with me? A one, a two, a one, two, three. So, me, do, me, so. Good, and now all that's left is our high do. So our high do is an octave above do down here. So, me, do, me, so, do. Great, can you sing that with me? A one, a two, a one, two, three. So, me, do, me, so, do. Great job, everyone. Now let's put the words to the song. So our words were, oh, say, can you see? Great job. So when we add that to our melody, it sounds like this. Oh, say, can you see? That's right, it's just what we learned with our solfege. Let's try singing it with the words. Ready? A one, a two, a one, two, three. Oh, say, can you see? Great job. All right, are you ready to try together our solfege signs and the words to the song? It'll look and sound like this. Ready? Turn those listening ears on. Oh, say, can you see? Great. Will you try it with me? A one, a two, a one, two, three. Oh, say, can you see? Great job, everyone. Shall we try it one more time, a little bit faster? You've got it. A one, a two, a one, two, three. Oh, say, can you see? Great job, everyone. Thanks so much for tuning in this week, everyone. We'll see you again next week for more of America the Beautiful in July. Bye-bye.